Hiya, it's Josh from ITS. Now, what have I got for you today? Well, today I have for you these. These are the Stanley Yukon Safety Boots. Now, we all know Stanley, they make some amazing gear, and these boots are no exception. If you take a look, they feature a high quality nubuck leather all on the upper. We've got a nice extra safe slip resistant sole, and on the inside these boots feature a waterproof lining. They're going to keep your feet nice, warm and dry even in the roughest of on-site conditions. Now these are site-ready safety boots, okay, so they feature a 200 joule impact resistant steel toe to keep your toes nice and safe. They also have a steel midsole all the way through, so should you step in anything sharp, you won't even feel it with ease. If you check out the front, we've got heavy duty lacing all the way up there that's going to keep these boots nice and fitted and secure to your feet, where you're going to want them, because these things look sharp both on and off site. However, if you're not a fan of tan, we also have them in black. These boots are available at its.co.uk, so head over there now, check out the price and get these in your basket.